Hello.
Hello.
I'll let you go first.
What's this?
This is a chocolate.
What are these?
These are bread.
What are those?
Those are colas.
What is Carol?
Carol is a student.
What is it?
It is a receipt.
What are those? What are that?
What is this? What is that? This is a counter.
What is Bob?
Bob is a sportsman.
What is that?
That is a cola.
What are those?
These?
Those.
Oh, those are sandwiches.
What is it?
It is a snack.
What are those?
These? Those are beverages.
What are John and Carol?
John and Carol are students.
What is Bill?
Bill is a clerk. My turn? All right, let's start with this. What is this?
It is a receipt.
And what is this?
It is a counter.
And what is Bill?
Bill is a clerk.
And what are John and Carol?
John and Carol are students.
Right. And what is Bob?
Bob is a sportsman.
What's this?
It's colas.
It's a cola. And what are these?
They are colas.
And what are they?
They are milks.
Right. And what are these?
These are beverage.
What are those?
They are snacks.
Right. And what's this?
It is a noodle.
And what is this?
These are juice and colas.
Oh, I meant this blue thing. What is this?
Ah,
The big thing.
it is a shelf.
Right, right. Very good.
Good job.